Hello, welcome to my vlog. So for today, we're going to have a product review on Sun Life's health insurance plan, which is Sun Life Assure. So ano bang meron kay Sun Life Assure? Bakit siya mura? So Sun Life Assure, it is a non-participating. So from the word non-participating, ibig sabihin wala siyang cash value. Walang savings component si Sun Life Assure. It's a 5-year renewable term insurance plan. So ibig sabihin it's payable for 5 years and then coverage for 5 years and then it automatically renew every after 5 years. That provides a lump sum amount either upon death or upon diagnosis while living of a covered critical illness whichever occurs first. So, ibig sabihin, covered ka for a critical illness benefit kay Sun Life Assure. And then, kung hindi ka naman madadiagnose ng critical illness, you're also covered for a life insurance kay Sun Life Assure. So, whichever comes first dun sa dalawang yun. Coverage is up to age 70. So, ibig sabihin, you can renew Sun Life Assure up to age 70 only. Okay, issue age. So, sino yung mga pwedeng mag-apply for Sun Life Assure? Ang pwedeng mag-apply is from 18 to 60 years old for both non-smokers and smokers. So, hindi pa pwedeng mag-apply ang mga minor and over 60 years old. Face amount of Sun Life Assure minimum per life is 500K and then the maximum is 15 million. The death and the critical illness benefit is 100% of the face amount. So, since sabi nga kanina, Sun Life Assure can be a coverage for critical illness or can be also coverage for death, whichever comes first. So, 100% of the face amount yung makukuhang benefit. What are the available riders or applicable riders for Sun Life Assure? It's accidental death benefit and then the total disability benefit, which this is the waiver of premium. So, let's see kung ano ba yung mga covered na sakit. Kasi di ba sabi, meron lang covered critical illness. So here are the 36 critical illness na covered for Sun Life Assure. So ayan yung listahan. So let's have a sample illustration or sample proposal for Sun Life Assure. So for example, ako, female, non-smoker, applying for Sun Life Assure. My face amount is 500,000. Then I have a rider accidental death benefit which is 500,000 then. And then total disability benefit which is my waiver of premium. So yung accidental death benefit, it will just add up dun sa face amount na 500,000 if the reason of death is by accident. Okay, so magiging 1 million yung magiging death benefit ko for Sun Life Assure. Okay, so from here, from the illustration, I applied at 25 years old and then I am covered till age 30 for Sun Life Assure. So that's 5 years paying period and protection period. So ibig sabihin, I will pay for 5 years for the Sun Life Assure and then covered din ako for 5 years kay Sun Life Assure. So sa 5 years na yon, whichever occurs first, if ever mauna ang diagnosis of a critical illness, I will get the 500,000 face amount. Basta dapat yung critical illness ko, kasama siya dun sa listahan na pinakita ko kanina. Or if ever hindi naman magkasakit, pwede mo rin gamitin si Sun Life Assure as your life insurance. So how much ang rate ko or ang premium ko for my first 5 years with Sun Life Assure? So for first 5 years for Sun Life Assure, ang annual premium ko every year is 4,990. Ito yung premium ko for the first 5 years. So every year, ayan yung binabayad ko sa plan. And then, if I want to renew or since the plan is automatically renewable after 5 years, ito na yung magiging rate ko on my second 5 years sa kanya. So ayan, 6 to 10th year is 5,070 na. So nagmahal na siya since nag-base na sa age ko upon renewal. So when I renew kasi, since 25 to 30 lang yung first 5 years, at the age of 31, ito na yung aking babayaran every year till year 10 or till age 35. And then, so on and so forth, ayan na siya. Hanggang sa kung kailan ko siya gusto i-renew, ayan yung babayaran ko yearly. So, nagmamahal siya, of course, nagbe-base lang kasi sa age mo upon renewal mo. So, for face amount na 500,000 with accidental death benefit and total disability benefit, ito yung mga rates or premium for male non-smoker, which is annual, and then for female non-smoker na annual din. So, based on age, ayan siya, 25 years old, 5,020 for male, and then for female, 4,990. And then, so on and so forth siya. So, ganun din siya. Nagmamahal siya every time na mas matanda na yung edad natin kapag nag-apply tayo ng Sun Life Assure, just like any other insurance. Okay, nagbe-base kasi sa age yung premium amount. Okay, so magbabago din yan, yung mga premium amount na yan, if the face amount would be higher than 500,000. So if 1 million yung pinakot mo sa advisor mo, of course, expect na mas mataas din yung babayaran mong annual. Pero based on this amount, di ba, napaka-affordable na niya. Isang buong taon, babayaran mo lang is almost 5,000. Parang kung kukumpitin mo, wala pa siyang 500 a month. So, napakamura niya. So, what are the pros and the cons of Sun Life Assure? So, dun muna tayo sa pros. So, of course, affordable premium. So, sa murang halaga, covered ka for 36 critical illness. Tapos, with life insurance pa siya. So, kahit hindi ka ma-diagnose of a covered critical illness, meron ka pa ring life insurance, di ba? Tapos may rider pa siya na accidental death benefit and then total disability benefit. And then, perfect siya for those people na temporary need lang din naman yung health insurance kasi temporary coverage siya. Since every 5 years, nagre-renew siya. So, may choice ka kung ayaw mo nang i-renew and you opt for a health insurance plan na whole life yung coverage. Ang maganda lang kasi kay Sun Life Assure, if you want health insurance pero budgeted sa ngayon, yung pera mo, perfect siya kasi hindi siya ganun kamahal. And then, maximum coverage din siya. Ano naman yung cons niya? So again, no savings component, just like Sun Safer Life. It's purely protection. So either covered critical illness upon diagnosis of that or death benefit lang talaga siya. And then, madali siyang mag-lapse since wala nga siyang cash value. So, kapag nag-skip ka ng payment, may chances na yung policy mo magla-lapse siya. So, hindi ka na mag-covered kasi nag-terminate na yung plan or yun nga, nag-lapse na. So, what are the frequently asked questions about Sun Life Assure? So, covered ba ako per illness? So, the answer is no. Once the critical illness has been claimed, the policy terminates any of one of the 36 critical illness only. So, isa lang doon sa mga nakalistang 36 illness. Hindi siya covered na, bawa, face amount is 500,000. Hindi ka covered ng 500,000 each for that illness. Okay, so any of the 36 critical illness lang. So once na ma-claim mo na yon, once na ma-diagnose ka ng isa sa nakalista doon, the policy will terminate na. Mawawala na rin yung life insurance mo. Kasi sabi nga 'di ba kanina, whichever comes first. Okay, paano kapag hindi naman nagkasakit? So ayun nga, sabi ko kanina, the plan is package life insurance, 'di ba? Meron siyang life insurance. So if hindi mo siya magagamit, hindi ka nagkasakit, your face amount is also the death benefit of your plan. So 'di ba sabi, whichever comes first if diagnosis of a critical illness or upon death of the insured. So parang dual purpose na rin siya. Yun nga lang, pag na-claim mo na yung isa, terminated na si plan. After paying for 5 years and nothing happened, ibabalik ba yung bayad? So, ito rin naman yung kadalasang tanong, no, if term insurance yung pinag-uusapan. So, again, the plan is purely insurance, no cash value or return of investment. Kasi it's a non-participating term insurance plan. So, you're just only paying for peace of mind, di ba? Na if something happens or dumating man yung time na ma-diagnose tayo for critical illness, at least prepared tayo na meron tayong health insurance plan. So, yun lang siya. Wala siyang savings component. Ano ang mga accredited hospitals for this plan? So, ayun yung madalas na natatanggap kong questions when it comes to Sun Life Assure kasi most people, kapag pine-present or kapag nalalaman nila about Sun Life Assure, iniisip nila it's like an HMO kasi yung halaga nung binabayarang premium, it's like HMO na rin kasi, 'di ba? Kasi ang mura nga niya. Pero hindi kasi siya HMO. So, Regardless of the hospital, you will receive the lump sum amount as long as the diagnosis is a covered critical illness. So, regardless kung anong hospital yan, basta yung diagnosis sa'yo na sakit at yung sakit na yun nasa listahan siya ng 36 critical illness, you will receive your benefit. You will receive the critical illness benefit. Okay, hindi naman siya katulad ng HMO na meron mga accredited na hospitals. Ito, regardless, since this is a health insurance plan and not HMO. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. So that's all for today for Sun Life Assure. So if you have few more questions, you can message me at my personal FB or sa aking Facebook page. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. And if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button beside it so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. You can also watch my VUL vlog and term insurance vlog. The link is on the description box din. So yun lang. Thank you and see you on my next one.